Bye. It's day 2 in Manila and we're staying here at Red Planet Amorsolo Hotel in Makati. So this is just around right across Makati Med, which is a hospital, and then just close to RCBC and stuff. So it's basically like a business area. So anyway, I'll give you guys a mini room tour of our hotel. It's pretty small. I mean, we're not even gonna stay here for a long time. So I think it's a pretty decent transit hotel. So as you walk in, this is what you see. First door is the bathroom. I like this. So bathroom. So you have a nice mirror, sink, and our stuff is already here. And then toilet and the shower. I love the shower head. So that's just basically it. Just the basic stuff that you need. And then we have the bed. Hi.
Hi.
Huge mirror. And this desk that folds to the wall. TV, obviously. And that hanger thing to hang coats. And this is our view. So I believe that's apartments. Looks like it. So this is the view that we get. It's pretty nice. We're on 8th floor. Gives a nice natural lighting. Hi again.
We got our safe.
Oh yes, and we have a safe to put your valuable stuff. So that's it. Plan for today. We'll probably have to go to Greenbelt, which is just around the corner, further up, and meet up with my cousins, and then from there on we might have to end up meeting with my aunties as well, because it's Mother's Day today, so I might as well meet up with them. And oh my god, it's so hot today. I don't know, it's around 12:30, so it's midday and it's pretty hot. So me and Jack might probably head to Greenbelt and we'll see what's going to happen from there on. And the place is called, this is I think located in 2nd floor in Megamall. Hey, 안녕하세요. We're here at Rack Megamall.
So she's vlogging.
Hi. For my That's what we're gonna eat.
You know what I want? Baby back.
Finally, my boyfriend get to meet part of my family, and we got to spend Mother's Day with my 2 aunties and their kids, and it was nice to see everyone.
After that, we tried to go to a pub, but it was like a band, so we went to a coffee shop instead and just chatted the night away.
We're just checked in at the domestic airport at Cebu Pacific, and we're waiting to board. I think we're not board until 11:30, so we're flying to Iloilo, and the airport is quite busy.
A little bit.
Not too bad. And it's not traffic because it's election day, so it took us probably like 15 minutes to get to the airport from our place. Can't wait.
Yep.
Hot. We finally landed in Iloilo, and now I'm currently in our hotel, so we just checked in. The hotel that we stayed at is called Angel Tower, which is literally across SM Mall. So I'll give you guys a little bit of room tour. So as you walk in, you get this cupboard right here where you can store stuff. So it's a two-way. And then you get this bathroom on the side. It's a pretty nice bathroom. And shower, which has doors, and I love that kind of bathroom. Sliding door and a mirror.
Oh wow.
And then we have a kitchenette in here, so we have fridge and microwave, so if ever we have any leftover food we can heat it up. TV, and we got two beds, queen and single. Air conditioning, table, and then a view of the city. It's currently raining. And that's Iloilo, that's the SM. It's pretty nice. And that's the room. One good thing about the hotel that we stayed at is our location. It has a swimming pool, gym, a spa, and they do a buffet breakfast every morning, which saves us so much time and money. It also offers a great view of the city, which I definitely love.